with quarantine and beauty salons and nail salons being shut down, I just have not been feeling like myself. I've been feeling crazy. I had some feeding braids in my hair. That was like the last style I got before quarantine here in Ohio and having all of our beauty salons, nail spas, all that kind of thing, you know, all those kind of things closed. So yeah, I just have not been feeling like myself. So I had to like wash my hair, give it a little flat iron, like just make myself feel good, because listen, sitting in the house looking like a ragamuffin is not what it is. So I had to get myself together, a little bit of makeup, just something to pick me up. Like, can y'all relate? Because it's been rough out here, like seriously. So I wanted to come to you guys today just to kind of do a little check-in, because sis has been, you know what I'm saying, I'm rolling with the punches, but man, I do not like looking a mess. And I decided that since I can't get my nails done, I'm just going to order some press-ons or something, because I can't be coming to y'all looking a mess, and I don't want to walk around the house looking a mess either. So yeah, I'm not playing any games. I'm about to come out of this quarantine knowing how to do just about everything, because look, I'm not about to keep walking around looking crazy. But right now I have on our VBS gloss. So if you guys have not shopped our glosses, today is your lucky day, because I'm having a sale. You can buy 2 of our organic glosses and you'll get 1 free. Okay, so look forward to that. You can go to bigdealhairextensions.com to check out everything that we have to offer. We don't just have glosses, we have raw India hair, wigs, all of that great stuff that we need right now. So definitely go check it out. But yes, get into this gloss. How do you think it looks? It's a clear gloss with glitter. Hopefully it's picking up so you can see the glitter in it. And it has mint flavoring, which I really, really love. Come through VBS. And by the way, all of our glosses are transparent. So even the ones that are colored, you can barely see the color once you put it on your lips. So I will do another video with me just kind of doing the color swatches, just showing you guys what it actually looks like up on my skin. But yes, those glosses are amazing as well. I have a gloss called Sativa that is purple. So when you put it on your lips, it's like a slight hint of purple that you can see, but it's pretty much transparent. I also have a gloss that is 24 KT, 24 karat gold. That one is also transparent once you put it on your lips. But these glosses are super moisturizing, and they're made with organic oils. So yes, good things for your lips. I also have a lip moisturizer with rose petals in it that you can check into, and the name of that is called Juliet's. It's giving me really Juliet vibes, so that's why I call it Juliet's. And yes, for the colors on my eyes, because I know you're wondering, is the crayon case. Yes, so I think everybody pretty much knows about Super Scent and the crayon case line. So yes, if you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. This is actually my first time trying the palette, because I had bought it sometime last year, because I said, okay, I'm going to challenge myself to learn how to do makeup for 2020. So this is the first time I've opened that palette and kind of played around in it. So I think that I did okay. Again, I do not wear makeup, so I feel like I did like a really good job, okay, for somebody that does not wear makeup. I feel like I came through. But yes, if you have any questions or comments, you know you can leave them below. And do not forget to like and subscribe, okay? Help me get my subscribers up. Help me get my views up. And I will continue to come to you guys with good content. I'm also going to be coming to you guys with other ways to make money online, because that is something that I have been researching and I've actually been able to do. So I will be coming to you guys with information about that kind of stuff, so just stay tuned. And as always, I really appreciate you all for watching. And again, I will put the link to my website below so that you can take advantage of the gloss sale that I'm having right now. You can also buy bundles, wigs, anything else. But yes, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time.